OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install your SIM card in the brand new Note 9. So if you just got the Note 9 and you're wondering how to install it, first thing you're going to need is a nano SIM card. It's basically the smallest SIM card you could get. If you don't have one of these or you have a bigger one, simply go to your carrier and ask for one and they should give you one. So first you want to get your SIM removal tool right here. This is located in the little pouch right there, so you want to open up and take it out. Pretty simple. You just take the pin right here and push it in the hole located at the top, push it down and it should pop up. You can see it's popped up right there. You just use your finger and just pull it out. You do have two trays here. One is for the nano SIM card and one is for the micro SD card. I think you put up to 512 gigabytes in there. So I'm not going to put one in there today because I don't have a spare one on me, but to put the SIM card in, you literally just lay it flat. You can see the little corner there that's cut, and there should be a little corner there, so you literally just lay it on top and it should fit in nice and flush. After that you just simply put it back into your phone with the logo facing up, and you just slide it back in and you push it all the way down until it's flush, and then you could boot your phone back up. So it's as simple as that. So that's how you install your SIM card and your SD card as well. If it still doesn't have a signal, you're still not receiving anything, reboot your phone and hopefully that should fix the problem. Hopefully I should get, yep, I've got E right there and I've got 4G coming right there. So I know that's working just fine. So yeah, that's just a quick little video showing you how to insert the SIM card and the SD card in the new Note 9. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below, and thanks for watching. Peace.